we're going to throw in that 3/2 polyrhythm. We're going to start just on the snare. And what it'll do is it'll start to create this rhythmic tension. You'll really feel it. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by today. We're back at the kit. We're continuing our conversation on polyrhythms by taking a look at kind of what we talked about last week with creating tension and release using polyrhythms. But we're looking at a very specific example of that, how we can do that with fills. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a 6/8 groove just on our ride, think 6/8 ballad, and then we're going to throw in that 3/2 polyrhythm. We're going to start just on the snare. And what it'll do is it'll start to create this rhythmic tension. You'll really feel it. Let me play it for you. So you can feel that start to kind of grate at each other. And this is great for creating some tension, say you're building into a chorus or something like that. Take it, move it around the kit, see what you can do with it, and have a great week of drumming, guys.